Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday. I have a lot of things to do today. I got a request for some calendar stickers to match my June bullet journal theme, so I need to get those up on Etsy today. It should be pretty easy, I think. I'm just gonna copy and paste the one that already exists because then they'll all match exactly the same. And then I also need to make a post on Instagram, and I need to edit my Minio Studio vlog to get that up hopefully today or tomorrow. And then I was also doing a watercolor challenge, so I want to do that too. And then I just have a few other small things to get done. I need to calculate some profit margins for a campaign that I want to do, and yeah, I think that's all. I will probably take a video of the calendars that I do and maybe my watercolor challenge. I'm trying to think of what I can get done today, and I'll definitely have a video of me like cutting out the calendar stickers and everything. So yeah. And right now I am cutting out these calendars, these ones, and I'm so frustrated because I think I mentioned this in my mini vlog, but my Cricut calibration has not been great, and it's really frustrating because I'm wasting a lot of materials trying to get my cuts perfect, and I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna try to calibrate my machine before I try cutting these, and I'll see if that helps. So wish me luck. So just for some perspective, this is what it has to cut every time I calibrate. So you can see it has like little cut marks all the way around, and then it also cuts these. So first it cuts this square and it asks if the cut is touching the line all the way around, which mine did today. And then it cuts these, and you have to tell it which ones are like the most centered. So in this case it's number 11, and then on this side it's like E, which is really weird because sometimes it's like usually like L or N. And then it cuts the big rectangle here, and this is actually pretty good calibration, so I think I will be set now. Later tonight, I'm probably gonna do my watercolor challenge just because I don't have a whole lot of time today. I've been doing a lot of other stuff. So really the watercolor thing is the only thing I have to do. And then also tomorrow actually I have a package to send out. So this package is for Hannah. It's just more calendar stickers, which are now up on my shop, and I will be doing them for July as well. So if you want those, they're $3 for 8 mini calendar stickers. Yeah. So today is going to be sort of a busy afternoon. This morning I sent out a custom order that I made yesterday of just the habit trackers, like the mini calendars, and I think I'm going to make those like a permanent thing in my shop for every month. So one sheet will have 8 mini calendars on it, and it'll be like for that month. So there's June ones up right now, and then there will be July ones up. I have to make those. What day is it? Today is the 20th, so I have 10 days to finalize my July stickers, make the mini calendars, and get them up. This morning I made banana bread, so that was my lunch. And I have to do my watercolor challenge for today. Yesterday was seashells, and I posted that. I need to make a highlight though, I keep forgetting that. Right now I need to pack an order of my plant sticker pack. It's the entire pack, so I need to get that together. It should be pretty easy. I think I already have some of them printed out, so I'll probably just print out like another whole pack of them, and I'll just keep them in stock because they're pretty popular. So yeah, so if you're Gabby, I am printing your stickers, and I will be sending those off tomorrow morning. And another excited thing is that I ordered some Overtone, which is like a color depositing conditioner. So I got the purple for brown hair color, and I also got the like the conditioner duo, so that I can keep it up if I want to. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. It's back ordered like 4 weeks, so they said it could take up to a month to process, but I'm in no rush. I'm still at home. We're still on a stay-at-home order, so I have nothing better to do, so I'm gonna do it. I'm pretty excited. I've never dyed my hair before. Not that this is like real dye, it's not like a chemical dye, but the most I've ever done is use Sun-In, which made my hair like pretty blonde, but my hair already gets like blonde streaks as it is. Like you can see, like this piece is a lot lighter than the rest of my hair. So I'm pretty excited. I've never had any colored hair before, so So I just posted my Instagram post for the day, and now I think I'm going to do a project that I wanted to do for a brand that's having a design contest. And then after that, I'm gonna do my watercolor challenge, which today's theme is tomatoes. So yeah, I'll have to figure that one out. I'm not a huge fan of eating tomatoes, but I think I'll probably find some pictures on like Pinterest or something to study while I paint them. So I just got a package in the mail with my new Archer and Olive notebooks, and I am so excited. I realized about a week and a half ago, maybe a little longer, that I was going to run out of pages in the one that I have now. So I wanted to order another one, but she hadn't restocked the website yet, and then she restocked like a few days later, and so I ended up getting one to finish out this year, and then I bought 2 of the B5 size to use next year, just so that I have them. I don't need to worry about it, and I am so excited. So I'll show you. Yeah, so this is the notebook. It's 160 pages. They're 160 GSM pages. They come with that little front part to write your name and stuff, and then the front is this really nice blue pattern. And yeah, it just comes in like this really nice packaging. And yeah, and then the other 2 that I got are this B5 size, and they have a linen cover, and it's the Robin's Egg Blue, which is one of her more popular ones. But I got a bigger size, so you can see the size difference here. But yeah, they come in these really nice like archival boxes. So today is the next day. It is currently Thursday, and I'm just cleaning up my room a little bit. I sent a package out this morning. So Gabby, if you're watching, I sent that out. But yeah, right now I'm just cleaning my room. Yeah. Currently, I am just working on some new sticker designs that will hopefully be up before this video is posted, but I'm not sure. And I'm also watching Emily Harvey's new YouTube studio vlog. But yeah, it's kind of cold outside, so I decided I wanted to stay in today and just design. I went for a bit of a walk earlier, but other than that, it's a little chilly. So I think maybe later this week when it's warmer out, I will be working more outside. So I think I finally finished the sticker design I was working on, so I'm going to show that to you. This video. So this is one of them. I did do different skin tones. I did 4 different ones, but it will be a vinyl die cut sticker, I think, and I think it'll be up before you're watching this video. Okay, so I just listed these 2 new stickers. So this one first is just a cute little quote sticker, and I used like a pencil brush for that nice texture, and I didn't outline it, and I really like how it came out. I really like the font. Yeah, I just think it came out really well. It has a nice texture because it's vinyl. Yeah, and it's like such a nice size too. Like it's not too big. It'll fit perfectly like on a laptop like that. And then the other sticker that I released is this cute little like tie-dye outfit one. And it is available in 4 different skin tones. I wish I could do more, but you know, a girl only has so much time in one day. So hopefully this is like enough of a spectrum that it'll work. yeah, I really wish I could add more because I think the tie-dye looks so good on this darker skin tone. Especially, like, it just looks so neon, which I really love. But I can only offer so many options. So yeah, I really like the way this one came out. But it's just a cute little tie-dye shirt that says Peace, Love, Plants, and a cute pair of jean shorts. And it is available for $3.50 in my shop. And this one is also the same price. And this one is also a good size for laptops and stuff. You can fit it right there. But yeah, I just really love how all of these came out. I think they look so good. And these are vinyl too. So I just spent a long time changing my shipping. It's $1.40 now, not free, which sort of stinks, but for material cost purposes, I really needed to do that. It's still super cheap. I'm trying to make it as affordable as possible. But yeah,